You don't need more motivation. You don't need another morning routine or another productivity app. What you need is a truth most people never tell you. You're not failing because your goals are too big. You're failing because your system is broken. Research from Stanford psychologist B.J. Fogg shows that success isn't about willpower, but about building habits that are tiny and consistent. And yet, most of us treat goals like wishes. We write them down, feel inspired for a few days, and then fall off track when life gets hard. I know because I've been there. Year after year, I set ambitious goals. I felt motivated, even obsessed for a while. But then I'd get busy, discouraged, distracted, and slowly, without even noticing, I'd abandon everything I started. It wasn't until I realized that goals don't fail because we're not trying. They fail because we never built a repeatable system that supports them. Here's what I changed and what you can change too. First, I stopped setting vague goals like be successful or get in shape. Instead, I got brutally specific. What does success look like in my life? What does being in shape mean to me? When you clarify the vision, your brain has something to work toward. Second, I focused on identity over outcome, a principle backed by James Clear's research in Atomic Habits. It's not about writing a book, it's about becoming a writer. Not about hitting a number on the scale, but becoming the kind of person who moves their body daily. Your habits should reinforce who you want to be, not just what you want to get. And most importantly, I started small. So small, it felt silly. 1 page a day, 1 walk around the block. But those tiny actions created momentum, and momentum builds belief. So if you're stuck, here's your call to action. Don't start by asking what your goal is. Start by asking who you want to become. Then reverse engineer your habits around that. Create a system. Set visual reminders. Schedule it. Track it. Celebrate tiny wins. And when motivation fades, and it will, your system will carry you. And if your current system isn't working, that's okay. Don't give up on the goal. Just change the process. You're not lazy. You're not unmotivated. You're simply trying to operate without a structure that supports your growth. You don't need a perfect plan. You need to start, and start small. Because small changes done consistently are far more powerful than big efforts done occasionally. That's how real transformation happens, not overnight, but one intentional step at a time. Write down one goal right now, and beneath it, write the identity that supports it. Then ask, what's the tiniest daily habit I can do to move toward this version of me? Your future self is waiting. Build the system and go meet them.